Heavy-duty brake fluid under the microscope. Heavy-duty brake fluid is a specialized hydraulic fluid used in heavy-duty vehicles like trucks and construction machinery. It's formulated to withstand harsh conditions, with a higher boiling point and better thermal stability to prevent brake fade and vapor lock. It also contains additives to protect against corrosion and oxidation, ensuring reliable braking performance over time. It's crucial to use the right type of brake fluid specified by the manufacturer for optimal safety and performance.